Okay, today we talk about set. Sets. What are sets? Actually, well-defined collection of objects. Okay, that may be distinct. Okay, suppose if we talk about anything that will be similar elements of that. Suppose if we talk about numbers, so the set will be of numbers. If we talk about alphabets, that set will be the alphabets. Okay, if we talk about general phenomena in a team, suppose a cricket team, so all the players will be the cricket team. If we talk about the football team, so they will be all the football players. That's why we'll call well-defined collection of objects are distinct objects. Okay, of same quality, of same species. Okay, सेम स्पीशीज मीन एक ही अक़साम होनी चाहिए नस्ल की. सपोज़ अगर हम बात करें नंबर्स की, तो नंबर्स सपोज नंबर्स में भी अक़साम होते हैं. इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द नेचुरल नंबर, सो इट विल बी नेचुरल नंबर. इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट इंटीजर्स प्लस और नेगेटिव, इट विल बी नेगेटिव. सपोज अगर हम बात करें कोई क्रिकेट टीम, तो यहाँ पे आपका क्रिकेट टीम में कोई और फुटबॉल वाला प्लेयर्स नहीं आ सकता है. Okay, so it will be of the same cricket players. Okay, if we talk about the football team, so they all will be the football players. So set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. Okay, the concept of the set has been come into 19th century. Okay, 19th century, the developer of the concept George Cantor. He was the person who gives the concept about the set. There are some well-defined types of the set. Suppose number one are kinds descriptive set. Number two, set builder form. Number third, table form. Okay, these are the some kinds of the sets we will discuss. Before of these, we must know about the some sign of the are symbols of the set. These are very necessary in a set. What are those symbols to be remembered? Number one, we call this such that. Okay, this is a symbol. It is read to be such that. Okay, the second is, it is called belongs to or member of. It is called member of or belongs to. Okay, the third one is, this is called greater or equal. It is called greater than or equal to. Okay, this is called greater, this is equal to. Okay, these sign you must have to be remember. Number fourth, this is called less than or equal to. Okay, these signs This is the sign of less, this is the equal, this is sign of greater, and this is of the equal. And this is read to be number 5th, and this is used to be and, read to be and. Number 6, this is read to be or, yeah. Okay. Number 7, this is called equal. Number 8, this is called not equal. Okay, not equal. So now we have wrote, okay, we wrote these symbols, and we will understand this symbol further while using in kinds of the sets or any set. It we will understand further. So come to the point, I am going to tell you something about the descriptive form. What is descriptive form? Descriptive form of set. Descriptive form in which have some description, जिसका कोई बयान हो, okay, explanation हो. Suppose set of student of class 5, student of number 1, set, or we have tried student of class 5th. Okay, now over here it's the description in English, in alphabets. Students of class 5th, student of class 5th. We are talking about the students, but which student of the class 5th, not about 6. Okay, the student of class 5th has separate subjects, and the student of class has other different subject. So we are talking about the student of class 5th, a descriptive, okay, fixed descriptive. Another example, set of first 10 natural numbers. Okay, over here we are set of first 5 natural numbers, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so over here we are defining the natural numbers in words. Set of first 5 natural numbers. We are talking about the numbers nature. Number 3, set of 4 days. Okay, set of 4 days of the week. WEEK, week. Okay, set of first 4 days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, so this is called the descriptive form of the set. Another, we have the example of the tabular. Okay, tabular form. Suppose we have a number 2, tabular form of set. What do you mean table? Okay, suppose I am writing a set A equal to A comma B comma C comma D. Okay, now this is a set of first 4 alphabets of English language. Okay, I have wrote these elements in a tabular form. This is called tabular form. Why? Because this is a symbol through which I written symbol A, and this is called the starting of a set. Starting of a set. So A comma B comma C comma D, these are called the elements of a sets, or members. What you may also call members of set A, because this is a set A. So now this curly bracket indicate ending of a set A. Okay, so that's why this is a tabular form. This is a tabular form. We have written, okay, we have wrote this in a very standard form. Okay, this is a tabular form. The third one is set builder form. What it is called? Set builder form. How I am writing the third one? The set builder form. Okay, set builder form. How do we write set builder form? Suppose I am writing a set builder form. A equal to, okay, curly bracket x such that, as previously I told you, you have to remember all these symbols. Where did I wrote? Okay, this one. It comes in a set builder form such that, okay, x such that x is the member of, okay, as previously I told this next one, okay, member of, okay, A equal to curly bracket x such that x is the member of natural number, and, okay, as I told you over here the symbol and, okay, and x is less than or equal to 10, end of set. Okay, over here I wrote a set builder form. We have a number A equal to curly bracket x such that x is the member of natural number, and, okay, we are talking about two sentences, okay, and x must be less, mean x must not be greater than 11, 12, 13, no, it must be less than 10, mean it will be from 1 to 9, okay, it will be 1 to 9. So these as today I told you about what is set, well defined collection, two kinds, descriptive set, set builder form, tabular form, okay, we understood, and also we have understood the signs of the sets, okay, and also now I am going to take how do we take the union, okay, how do we unite union of a set, union of a set, how do we unite, how do we make two different sets to keep in a one single set. Suppose I am going to write A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, and B I have 5, 6, 7, 8, okay. If someone is asking to me, please A union B, okay, this is a question, so we have to solve this. A union B, unite. So what we will do? A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, you must give the sign of union, okay, now we are uniting, okay, we making union of these two sets A and B, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, now we are finding A union B. How do we find? A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the answer of A union B. Okay, how do we find the intersection? A intersection B. This is the sign of union, this is sign of intersection. Intersection mean we have to find the common element in both set, same element in both set. If we have, suppose A intersection B, how do we find? Okay, what is the value of 1, 2, 3, 4? Intersection B, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we are finding to A union A intersection B. 1, no. 2, no. 3, no. So this is called the empty set or null. It is called the empty set, or it is called the null set. So we didn't find the same element in both. So this was the today lecture about the set. We understood what is set, kinds of set, descriptive set, okay, set builder form, okay, and also we discuss how many set builder, tabular form, and also we discuss the signs of the, how do we use these signs. Okay, suppose we understood this such that, and okay, and we understood less than, okay, greater than also same as less than. Okay, member of, one thing is remaining, I didn't teach you member of. Suppose I have a set tabular form, okay, set tabular 1, 2, 3. Okay, suppose 1 is the member of A, okay, 2 is the member of A, 3 is the member of A, okay, this is called the member of. Another we have not, okay, suppose 5 is not the member of A, okay, A is not the member of A. So this is called the member of, this is called not member of. Okay, thank you for listening.